Yeah, in last class we discussed about list concept, list definition, uh, list creation, and how to access list elements, and range of negative numbers, positive numbers, slicing concept also we discussed. Yeah, slicing concept is it finished or not? Hello, please tell me the range of values accessing from list.
Yes, sir.
Finished, huh?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Slicing
Yes, sir.
concept.
Sir, done, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Finished.
So this one adding, changing and adding. How
Changing
to change
finished.
element from the list. Finished, huh? Okay, no problem. I'll explain once again. Now, if you want change an element from the list, okay. So by using index, we can change the value. The whatever value you want change. Okay, any value. So whatever value you want change. Yeah. So whatever value you want change, you can change by using its index. So first of all, you have to know its index. Then only it is possible to change. For example, here, this one, yeah,
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
this list. Finished, huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Simple. Just I'll revise within 1-2 minutes. Okay. Now list name is what? This list, and which contains 3 elements: apple, banana, and cherry. Okay. Now if you want change element banana, what is the index of banana? Please tell me.
1.
Hello. 1.
1,
Yeah.
sir.
One,
Now
sir.
if you want change banana with black currant, simply mention its index, and within double quotes you have to write if it is string. If it is integer, so we can write integer without index, right? Yeah. Same thing mango. The mango index is what? Now for example, index 2. Index 2 is what? Cherry. Now if you can change cherry with mango, simply write here. Okay, right. Now same thing, if you want insert elements, then what to do? Yeah, one more example is there for integers. Okay, now integers here, now if you want change index 0 element, so what is the index 0 element? 2, right? Now if you want change 2 with the 1, simply you have to mention here its index. Clear? Now for list name is what? Odd. And if I want change, or if you want replace 2 with 1, simply odd, it's the specific element index 0 and element, that's it. Okay, one more thing is there. Now if you can change element from 1 to 4, 1 to 4 means what? It's the 1 means what? Second element index, am I right? 1 means what? Second element index. And 2 4, fourth means what? Fourth element, that means what? 4 minus 1 up to third. Now tell me here, 1 means what? This one. Okay, here index of 4 is what? 1. Index of 6 is 2. Index of 8 is what? 3. So this one, that means what? 1 and 4. Okay, now starting is what? Includes. And what about end index? Excludes. Excludes means what? It will take up to 4 minus 1. Okay, is equal to. excuse me. Now, so up to index 3 elements will be changed or replaced. Am I right? Yeah. Is it clear? Or shall I explain once again? Please respond. Response is important.
Clear, sir.
Yeah. Around 57 students are there. 59 minus 1, 58 students are there. Only 1 or 2 students are giving response. The whatever remaining students. Because section D means for decent students, right? Okay. I think you forgot. Don't forget, you are decent students. Okay. Right. Now another concept here. Adding or insert into the list. Okay, there are different ways are there to insert elements into the list. Okay, we will discuss one by one. Now here we can add one item to a list using append method, and several items by using extend method. Two methods are there. Okay, two methods to insert element. Now what about first one, dear students? Append method. So by using append method, we can insert only one element, that too at end of the list. Remember it. Okay, we can add element at end of the list by using append method. Right. Now I'll give one example here. Appending, extending list in Python. First appending. Now the list name is what? Odd. Okay, elements are 1 3 5. Okay, elements are 1 3 5. Now if you want to append element, then what to do? Simply, now which element you want append, just you have to write in the braces. That's it. It's a very simple, but you have to write square, what, no braces, round braces. Don't use square brackets, because append is a method, it's a function. Now how to represent the method, a function? By using what? By using round braces we can represent a method. So that's the reason, don't write square brackets. The square brackets represent what? List. Now within these round braces we have to write element. Now whatever element you want insert, you have to write. That's it. Now list name. Actually, in examination, if you get a question, regarding about what? Dear students, now here I am writing here. If you get a question in examination, how to append, how to add elements in the in the examination, then what to do? First you have to explain it. Now these statements, the whatever statements are given here, you have to write, and you have to write syntax. So that there are two methods to insert elements into the list, right? Yeah, that was the first one. I'm talking about what? Examination point of view, dear students. Now first one is what?
Append.
By using
Append.
append method. Second one,
Extend.
Extend.
extend method. Now we have to put side heading append method. So like you had explained in examination, dear students, so concept is different. You may know concept, but if you don't know how to present it, then you may get less marks compared to other students. So knowing concept is different from presenting. The representation is different. So try to understand. Okay, now whatever understanding the concept of list, okay, so that is okay. You can write a program, you can write n number of programs by using list concept. But if you don't know representation, the presentation, then you may get some less marks. That's it. Now append. Now whatever syntax, then you have to explain. You have to explain. So what is append method? What is append method? It is a method which, by using which, tell me, we can insert elements at end of the list.
List.
End of the list. Please try to understand. End of the list only, not at beginning or at any position. Okay. Now this is important. Syntax. Tell me what is syntax here. Please tell me syntax.
Append or extend.
Append, I'm talking now. Again, why you are asking the question? So already I put what heading, right? Append method. Append. Tell me. Yes. Students, be active. You have to interact with the faculty. That may be right or wrong. N3, P4, the many
Input
students are
dot
there.
append.
Huh? Sorry?
Input dot append.
I didn't get you. I'm asking about what?
Input.
Syntax of the
List dot
append
append.
method. To insert. Good. List name. List name
Dot
is
append.
equal to, no. Dot append, not yeah. Good. List name dot append. Then tell me.
Close brackets.
List.
Element. Element. That's it.
Element.
Element or item array, whatever you want. That's it. Now example.
Print list name.
No. Example. That's okay. Now, example. Take anything here. Hello. ఎవరు కేసు ఇప్పుడు ఎడదాకను Dear students, hello.
Yes, sir.
Now here example is what? For example, example odd. Now this one example. Example is what? This one only. Odd. 1, 2, 3. Right? Now we have to give example. So this is the way of what? Presenting concept, that may be append or extend or anything. Not only list concept I'm talking about. Any concept, like you have to explain. Then you will get full marks. Example you have to write. Example means what? Dear students, example means not only this one. You have to write code, entire code you have to write. Okay, printing, inserting, etc. Okay, right. Uh, Now what about extends, dear students? Extend means what? Please tell me. Just observe this concept. Example. Now, but tell me this one. Odd example is there, append example is there, and extend example is there. Tell me difference between these two.
To add more than one number.
Very good, excellent. We can if you want to insert more than one element, simply we have to write this one. Yes. Now one thing you have to remember, you have to write a square bracket. Square bracket. Don't write all elements 9, 11, 13. You will get error. So within the the
List.
square brackets you have to insert. Very simple. List name. Same thing you have to, that side heading. Extend method. What is extend method? Define it. We can add. We can insert more than one element. Then syntax. List name. Dot. Extend. Element 1, element 2, element 3, and so on. Element n within square brackets. Now give example. Give the program. Then leave it. Okay. Yeah. Dear students. Now I want to leave the class. 5 minutes are there. Okay. Students, thank you for attending. No, right now I'm in my farmland. Don't tell to anybody. Are Babu, ఉంటున్నారా?
Sir, bring me fruits.
Sir.
Huh? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
What do you want? Somebody asking.
Fruits
sir,
sir.
fresh
పండ్లు కావాలంట.
vegetables.
పండ్లు కావాలంట.
Vegetables, yeah.
Fruit.
So this is what kandi cheno amma. Kandi, do you know kandi?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Candy.
Do you know kandi chenu?
కందిపప్పు.
Yeah, kandi papu. Pulses.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఇక మార్నింగ్ 7 o'clock వచ్చా.
Yes, sir.
ఒకసారి మీకు చూపించాను ఒకసారి.
Vincent.
ఎస్ సార్ చూపెట్టండి.
Yes, sir.
అక్కడ ఆ సైడ్ లో కుప్ప వేస్తున్నాము కళ్ళంలో ఆ సైడ్. మార్నింగ్ వచ్చా 7 o'clock వచ్చా. జస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు లంచ్ చేశా అక్కడ. అది అటు ఫారెస్ట్ ఉంది, కంప్లీట్ ఫారెస్ట్, చాలా బ్రహ్మాండంగా ఉంటుంది. ఒకసారి అందరు రండి మా చేనులకి, వెజిటేబుల్స్ అన్నీ
Sir.
వేసుకుందాం. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే.
ఇక్కడ టీ కాఫీ
Sir,
తాగడం, టీ
ఎవరు
కాఫీ మినరల్ వాటర్. ఓకే.
ఆల్ అవైలబుల్.
కాలేజీకి వచ్చినాక ఒకసారి టూర్ తీసుకెళ్ళండి సార్.
ఏం కావాలి?
Trip.
సూపా?
టూర్ ట్రిప్. టూర్ ట్రిప్.
టూ ట్రిపా? యా, డెఫినెట్లీ వై నాట్.
ట్రిప్ సార్.
ఇప్పుడు నాది యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ఉంది, ఒకసారి యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ అందరూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవ్వండిరా. నేచర్ ట్రావెలర్.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే.
సార్
అమ్మాయి
ఎవరం
నవ్వుతుంది, ఆ అమ్మాయి.
సార్ ఎవరం చెప్పకపోయినా మీటింగ్ రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది సార్.
అవునవును. యా,
సార్ మేనేజ్ చేసుకుంటాడు.
అది ఎట్లా డీసెంట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎట్లా ఉండాలి? మనకు కావాల్సింది క్లాస్, వేర్ వీఆర్ దట్ ఇస్ సెకండరీ థింగ్. ఓకే, రైట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ, బాయ్.
Thank you, sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
అరే దేవేష్, ఏం చేద్దామనరా?
ఏంది?
పొలాల్లో.
ఏం రా, ఆయన తీసుకెళ్తా అంటే చెప్తాను టూర్ ట్రిప్ ఏంది సార్ అని.
అదే
ఎవరు నవీన్ అంతగా నవ్వుతున్నారేమో. మహేషా నువ్వా?
Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah, any doubts? I'm stop sharing the screen. Thank you.